Okay, there's an ad that.
Ixley, this has been a lot of fun. Do you have any more questions or prompts?
Oh, I have a lot of other questions. All right, here we go. So, around the holidays, there's an ad.
Ready for the next one. What's your next question?
Okay, around the holidays, there's an ad for a company called K Jewelers. They say every kiss begins with K. Is this true? And would it be fair for a rival jeweler to say every hug begins with Jared?
The slogan, Every Kiss Begins with K, is a clever play on words, emphasizing that K starts with the letter K, just like kiss. It's a catchy marketing phrase. As for a rival jeweler saying, Every hug begins with Jared, it would be equally clever and playful, though it would depend on Jared's branding and marketing strategy. It might work as a fun, competitive tagline.
But don't you think it's unfair for them to say that every kiss begins with K? Because I can remember a lot of kisses I've had in my life that didn't begin with K Jewelers.
You make a good point. The slogan is more of a memorable marketing phrase rather than a literal statement. It plays on the alliteration and brand recognition, not on the actual origin of every kiss. It's meant to create a positive association with the brand rather than making a factual claim about every kiss.